So if you want to build a login so that we will link it after this one I finished loading, then you click on project. Where is it? Project. Click on project. Okay, then add Windows form, click on it. Then the same thing as we did, choose Windows form. Okay, choose Windows form. Then let's change the name for this one to, let's say, login page. Okay, then click add. You are done. It will be here already, so it will add it. So now we are doing login. Simple. So let's make sure that this one is big. So the same thing for the toolbox login page. You click on the toolbox. So let's start with the username and many things. So let's click on label. So select label, you drag and drop, you just place something simple here. So you can add another one here by holding control, then you drag it. Okay, control, you drag it, control, you drag it. You can make many of them. So okay, like this. So you click on this one. Let's change this one to user. So under the appearance, you go for text, you write username. Okay, this one too, you write password. So password. Okay, so we need multi-line for this one, or a place the person can write something. So let's cancel this one. Text box, you can also search for text box. You drag it, you put it there. Okay, now if you want to regulate this place up and down here, you click on this and make it multi-line. So you can regulate it as big as you want. Okay, the same thing, control, then you drag it so that it will be in line. You see how they are all calculating the edges for you. So simple like that. So you can make this one big. So you click on it, you can just go to the appearance, the same thing. So this one, I think you guys can just do this one, so I will not force myself to do much on this. So just click on appearance, you see font, you just increase it. So that's what 12 pt. So I just even click on this and write this one is 7.8. so I can just change it from here. 12 is okay. See, the same thing is happening here without me going there. So that's it. So now let's put 3 buttons here, one for clear, one for back, and one for submit. Okay, so let's click here, search for button. So let's search for button. I think this button is here. Okay, hold control, just do like this. I think I have overholding. Okay, so click on this one here, you change the name of it. So let's say we have login. Okay, this one too, let's say we have clear, and this one too, let's say we have close, so that we can close the application. Okay, we have close. So that's it. So now we're able to do this way. We're almost done with the code. All we have to do is to just input how I just did it, your name and the password. That's all. So you are going to accept the test, the 2 of them, then we are going to make sure that it matches, then we are done. And if we want to clear, we clear it. So now we're able to do this. Let's click on the login button, but before we do it, let's make sure that our IDs are being simple so that we can remember them. So click on this one, go to this design. Okay, the design, then you change it. So I'll make sure that here is called login button btn. It's fine for the, then this one, the clear, the same thing. I can say btn clear. It will just suggest for me, so but I want to make sure that I understand how the button is working. So btn, let's say close is okay. So now we are done with it. So this one too, I can just change the name for it. So text box 1, I can say, let's say edt username is okay. think I spelled it wrong here. Username is okay. So this one you can make it like edt password, it will be fine. The same thing is on the design, edt password. Okay, so now we are done. So click on the button here, so we get a simple code like this. Then we start coding for the button. This is how we are going to do. We need to accept all the string inside. That is, we are going to accept the username and the user password. This is how we are going to do it. Let's create a variable. So we are going to create a variable using dim. Okay, so dim username as string. I want to store it as string. So dim password as string. Okay, dim password as string. Then we will have to accept the text. Now we're able to make sure that this one is string. Then this is how we're going to do it. So username equals to what? Test. That's how we store the ID name. What's the ID name for the username for this one? So let's go and check. So click on it. First one was what? edt what? Username, right? edt username. So edt username, or let's make it test.username so that it will match my own. tst username is the same thing as this one. To let's make it tst. Okay, make it tst. So that's it. tst username, tst password. So let's go there. So tst username, okay, dot what? Test. That's it. We have accepted it inside the username. So let's go to password equals to tst password. So just suggest for you dot test. Okay, that one too, we are done with that. So if username, thank you, press enter. This always, and make it capital here for this one. Please, the string here, let's make sure that it's double quotes here. Okay, let's use double quote, or else it won't run. Let's use double quotes. So else if it's here, else if username is empty. Okay, so let's say your answer is wrong, and also let's say your username too was not entered. Shouldn't just give you login not successful or something, or it shouldn't stop the code. Why am I using single quote always like that? So let's say it's empty, then it should inform you that there have to be an error for it. So let's provide an error for that. So this is how you are going to provide an error for it. So you just select this one, you go to your toolbox, you search for error provider. So just drag it. So that's it. You drag it, you just place it here, it's fine. Now it's here, you just click on it. So error provider will not able to work. So let's say error provider 1 dot so error provider dot set error. That's it. So we want to set it at this place, the first place. So tst name username dot, so okay, comma, enter username. So that's it. So else if, so the same thing, else if the password is empty. Okay, then let's copy the same thing here. So we've added a validation for it, so we don't need to worry. So now we are done with the login. So let's provide an else for it, so that in case he doesn't get it right, so else we have to produce a message box dot show wrong login info. Done with the login also. So that's why I'm saying today's code is just simple. So first of all, you make sure that you get a variable you are going to use it. So a variable called username, a variable called password, then the username that you have made it. So let's say test username dot test, so that we can accept the test. This one too, we can accept the test. Then if username is equals to bright and password equals to 1234, make sure that the quote here is a double quote. Okay, then message dot show login, then if this condition is met, then the login page will just hide, and let's say it will move on to different page. Okay, so let's say it hides it. Yes, if this condition is hide, then if else if the username, the person did not enter anything, the program will prompt the person please or enter username. Okay, the same for the password. If the person did not enter anything, clicks on the button. So all these things are done under the button. Okay, so all these things are done on the button. So for the clear, the same thing here, you click on the clear. So for the clear, just go and copy this one here, so just paste it here, copy this one here, just paste it here, then use equal to, you should make sure that it's empty. So that's for the clear. We are done with the clear code. Okay, we are done with the clear code, and if the person click on the clear, whatever is there should just be empty. We are done. So we go to the close button, application. Okay, dot exit. That's it. We exit our application. So application dot exit. So that's it. We are done with the full login page. You can add colors to it as I just did. So that one will depend on how you think you want the appearance should be. So okay, so I'm done with it. So let's link the progress bar to this place, so that whenever the progress bar finishes, it just lead you to this place. So let's go to the progress bar here. So after the progress bar has reached 100, it should just lead you to the login page. So just write login. You see the name here, just write the same thing here. So it should lead you to login page. So login here dot what show. Okay, that's it. So now let's run our program and see something. So just load up to here, then the login will just come, just simple like that. So just write the name, the same thing, bright 1234, then click on login. It comes out login successful. Okay, then it hides it. So as we hide it, if we create another one, we just bring dot show there, then it will lead you to that place for the login side. But the password here, I think you guys saw it to be 12345, so which will not help. So let's click on this one here. So let's say password child, let's say reached or anything. I think one of them is okay. So in case I'm writing something there, you see, so let's say come as this, see 1234. Okay, that's it, but it will still work. See login success.